Nasa leading by 1-0. Anderson Talisca with the penalty after 31 minutes for the home side. It's Azam Al Salman, who is the player who went down. Who've won twice this season, but both those victories have come at home. They beat Al Aid in October by 4-3, and in December they beat Al Fateh by 2-0.
Certainly going to be a tough ask to get back into this game, but whilst it's 1-0, for me, it's always a precarious scoreline for the team. I think Al Nassr, they'd like to get another goal and put more daylight between them and Al Hazem as soon as possible.
Al-Kabadi. He wants to come back on Al Salman on the far side, and now his way back on. Al-Kabadi. Talisca, Mane, cleared away by Al-Bakr, and again, the right back, it's Laporte who's down.
Don't see too much in that, two players competing for the ball. You have to use your arms when you jump for leverage. Yeah, there's a little touch on Laporte's ear, I think it was, but I think he's made the most out of it.
So we're going to have quite a bit of additional time at the end of this first half, and we're going to get here the first caution of the match. Badamosi shown yellow.
The referee is signalling an elbow, nothing like it. In the reaction of Badamosi, I think you can see he can't believe it himself. So again here, I mean, it's a flick on the ear at absolute best.
Gambia international then, shown yellow. On a one-year loan at Al Hazem, having been playing his football in Serbia. Bushal. Laporte. Teles. Abdullah. Taken out by Talisca. It's a lovely cross-field ball to this near side. Al-Bushal. Couldn't get away though from Badamosi.
I think his initial touch wouldn't as he would like it to be. I think he needs to be in front of him. So goes out to the side, and then he's always trying to recover the ball, stop it going out at the sideline.
Al-Kabari. Mane. To attack Al-Bakr. Mane. Just outside the penalty area.
Potentially could have gone down after the first challenge, didn't try to ride it and stay on his feet, and then that one, absolutely no doubt in that.
Sadio Mane, a title winner in Germany, in England, and in Austria. This side have a lot to do if they're to win the title this season and pick Al Hilal. Brozovic and Teles behind the ball. It's Brozovic straight into the wall. Al Bouchal delivers it out wide. Brozovic. Gets it back from Otavio. Just behind Brozovic. Anticipation there from Al Bouchal. Quickly away from Darmen. Spotting that his side might have an opportunity there to break forward quickly.
Yeah, I think it was the right idea, because Al Bouchal, the way that he came to try and head that ball, he came a long way and left him slightly out of position despite getting really good contact on it.
Into additional time then. Ball forward, a little bit of space here. Kashesh. Majed Kashesh. Went past two, couldn't get past a third. Chance still on though, Badamosi. Driven from distance, always rising. Never any trouble for Abdullah from Al Saman. Minimum of 4 minutes additional time to be played.
And you see, he just gets the strike completely wrong there. He's leaning back, leaning off to the side. You need to line yourself up in front of that ball, get your knee and your head over it and strike through it.
Al Bouchal. Al-Bakr is there. He's taken away from Talisca. He tries to win it back and does win a throw. Teles takes it quickly. Mane. Touch up from Moreno. Here's Moreno again. A Venezuelan international. Silva's long free kick forward.
I do think there are times actually where Al Nassr do look vulnerable to the longer ball, and it's just about getting the pass right. Jose, I think, does really well in terms of the way he sets off and kept himself on side, but it left him with a lot to do.
Brozovic with the ball forward, cut out by Paulo Ricardo. The two central defenders have just swapped positions in the last few minutes. Bruno de Silva moving to the right side of the central defensive partnership, Paulo Ricardo to the left. About to go into the last minute then, at the minimum of 4 additional at the end of this half. Just kept alive by Kashesh. Decent ball into the middle, Badamosi trying to turn. Cleared by Al Kabari, straight out of play though.
See what Badamosi wanted to do, just get the quick touch in initially and then turn, but the ball gets away from him, he slips as he's trying to swivel as well.
Foul on Otavio. Referee's had a look at his watch. Into the last few seconds then of the first half.